was our first annual Rehabilitation Medicine Interprofessional Practice Hands-On Training Day, allowing students to work in small interdisciplinary groups and practice techniques that they'd heard about or read about or even seen in their clinical externships. We talked about airway management. They had the opportunity to explore the use of neuromuscular electrical stimulation and ultrasound for diagnostic and rehabilitation purposes. These two fields represented paramedicine, internal medicine, and of course, rehabilitation medicine. Additionally, students had the opportunity to look at inner ear function. We looked at vital signs. And last but not least, we had an opportunity to engage in endoscopy. Altogether, it's been a great day, and our students have walked away with 5 critical skill sets that they will need to enter the workforce.